Everyone loves snacks. Choosing healthy snacks can be difficult when you have diabetes. The key to choosing healthy snacks for diabetes comes down to choosing snacks with high fiber and protein and healthy fats. These nutrients help keep your blood sugar levels under control. It is important to snack on healthy, nutrition-dense food. In today's video, we'll look at some of the amazing food choices you can use as snacks if you have diabetes. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are a super healthy snack for people with diabetes. Their protein content makes them shine out among the many snacks. They contain around 6 grams of proteins, which is helpful in keeping diabetes in check. In a recent study, 65 people with diabetes type 2 ate 2 eggs daily for 12 weeks. By the end of the week, they experienced reductions in their fasting blood sugars. Eggs are also known to keep someone feeling full, which is a very important aspect in managing diabetes type 2. Handful of almonds. Almonds are very nutritious and convenient to snack on. Research has shown that almonds contain more than 15 vitamins and minerals, which including magnesium. In a study, 54 people who took almonds in their diet for 24 weeks experienced a 3% decrease in their long-term blood sugars. Almonds also help to decrease the levels of insulin, which, if insulin is high in the blood, it worsens the diabetes in a person. Almonds have been also shown to be able to stabilize blood sugar due to the combination of high fiber and protein content, which makes them a very important food in controlling of diabetes. What's more, almonds are also shown to have a very good effect in controlling and reducing the cholesterol levels and promoting weight loss, which are both very good factors in preventing and treating of diabetes too. Avocados. Avocados have high fiber content and monounsaturated fatty acids. In a recent studies in individuals who took diets containing monounsaturated fatty acids experienced a significant improvement of their blood sugar levels. Eating avocado on its own is also a very good thing, since avocados contain high calories, which make them one of the best food snack choices, since they can keep you full for a long time. Sliced apples with peanut. Sliced apples with peanut make a very sweet snack combination. Apples are known to contain several nutrients, which include vitamins, vitamin C, potassium, and other chemicals like magnesium, which are very important in managing of diabetes. Both apples and peanut are high in fiber, which is also a very good component when keeping blood sugar levels under control. Apples have also been shown to contain powerful antioxidants which help protect pancreatic cells from damage but often occurs and results in worsening of diabetes. Pairing up other fruits with peanut butter, such as bananas, pears, may also have similar healthy benefits. Roasted chickpeas. Chickpeas is one of the most healthy food snacks for people who have diabetes. They contain high levels of proteins, which make them an excellent choice as a snack for people with diabetes. In a recent research study, consuming chickpeas on a regular basis plays a role in preventing progression of diabetes thanks to their potential to manage the blood sugar levels. Chickpeas are easy to snack on by roasting them because they can be eaten as nuts in between meals, and they are convenient and easy to make and prepare at home. Tuna salad. Tuna salad is made by combining tuna with mayonnaise and other ingredients like cereal and onions. Tuna is a very heavy food which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to have a very good effect in managing diabetes due to their effect in the improvement of the blood sugar control. You can make the tuna salad healthier by combining it with cottage cheese or yogurt instead of using mayonnaise. Popcorn. Popcorn is one of the most popular and healthy whole grain snack food. It is deemed healthy snack food for people with diabetes partly because of its low calorie density. Snacking on low calorie density foods like popcorns aid in weight loss, which has shown to have a very good effect in controlling of diabetes. Eating popcorns also help to keep the blood sugar levels under control. Black bean salad. Black bean salads are healthy snacks which are made by combining cooked black beans with chopped vegetables like onions and pepper. Black beans are rich in fiber and proteins, which make them a healthy snack for individuals with diabetes. Eating them helps to prevent blood sugar spikes and also lowers insulin level after the meal. Black beans have also been shown to have a very good effect in promoting heart health by lowering the cholesterol level and blood sugar levels and pressure. There are many options to choose from when taking snacks if you have diabetes. The only rule to follow is that try to take foods which are high in proteins, fiber and healthy fats, which are known to be able to maintain the blood sugar levels. Individuals with type 2 diabetes have a high risk of obesity and chronic illness, so it is important to try to take foods which can help to maintain weight and also care for the heart. When taking snacks for diabetic patients, try to take care to avoid foods which will lead to obesity and foods which have very high sugar content.